Okay. Oscar's already knows sit, now taught him down. Come here, Oscar. Come here. Sit. Good boy. Down. Boy. Come on. Sit. Good boy. Okay, down. Good boy. Okay, get on your pillow. Good boy, get on your pillow. That's my boy.
Kayla.
Come on, Oscar. Okay, sit. Down. Okay. Sit. Sit. Good boy! Yes! Okay, get on your pillow. That's my boy. Okay, lay down. Good boy, that's my boy. He's my good pit bull. He's my good pit bull. Okay, come here. Okay, sit. Down. Now he's it. Come here. Now he just wants to lay down all the time. Come here. Get on your pillow. Lay down. Good boy. That's my boy. That's what. This is your treat right here. Come here.
How about stay?
I know. Come here. Okay, one more trick. I want to show you how he shows me his pit bull belly. Come here. Oscar. Sit. Down. Lay down.